Hello, my name's Lorraine and welcome to my video channel of Make Money Online Niches. Today I'm going to be reviewing Tap24 Augmented Reality app. So what is Tap24? What's it all about? Augmented reality is an experience where designers enhance parts of a user's physical world with a computer-generated input. Designers create the inputs ranging from sound to video, graphics, GPS overlays and much more. The digital content responds in real life to changes in the user's environment, typically some movement. So this is a product that is launching today and it's going to be launched at a special promotion price of $476. Obviously, it's on this promotion price for the next 9 days, very soon to be rising in price to $697. So it used to be impossible to display 3D product videos on each product without spending a fortune. So thanks to the augmented reality, you can increase the engagement, the interaction, and provide a richer user experience. So if you're a small business owner, if you've got an e-commerce store, the app will give you an exciting way to capture customers' attention and give them a remarkable first-hand experience of your product. And you could try it on all sorts of things like clothes and furniture or machine supplies. If you're in real estate, then the app is a must because you can showcase your real estate in style without even having to be in the property. You can use your magazines or your photographs that you have. Tap24 promo app uses image processing to detect the product and the brand and retrieves the video and displays it as an overlay in the camera. So this is a great feature. And if you buy this product today through my link, which will be in the video description below, then I am offering some bonuses. Now I can go over these quickly. These are the bonuses that I am offering via my link. So the first bonus I'm offering is the PDF download, which is Facebook Live Handbook, which will walk you through how to start doing Facebook Live, which is a fantastic way of promoting your business and getting more people to respond to your promotions. Value is $97, but I'm giving it away free. The second bonus I have is the Ninja Facebook Advertising and Retargeting, which is also an ebook and valued at $97. So this is another great giveaway that I'm putting with Tap24 Augmented Reality app. These bonuses will be available instantly inside your account and 100% free. Right, so let's have a look at the product demo. This is something I created earlier. Hello, my name's Lorraine and today we're taking a look at this product that is going to be launched later in this week. On the 10th of June, the product's launching and it's a downloadable app that helps you to create videos in 3D, product images. Would be great for estate agents, e-commerce store owners. So let's just have a quick look at what it does. So you can increase your engagement and your interaction when you've got videos. You've got audio recording as well as screen recording. So if you're into real estate, it would be a great product to help with promoting your properties. So small business owners or an e-commerce store owner, you can capture your images and have them turned into videos and promotion with sound as well. It's an easy to use, intuitive dashboard. You can click on the icon, remove any of the augmented reality. It seems to be quite simple to use. And like I say, it's available from Thursday. Okay, so that was the View